Have you ever wondered why so many people set out to kill Al-Imam Al-Hussein alayhi salam? You don't think they knew who he was? Listen to this speech by Al-Imam Al-Hussein alayhi salam. On the day of Ashura, the Imam looked at Umar ibn Sa'd and his army after he wanted to give them advice and they rejected his advice. The Imam alayhi salam stated, وَيْلَكُمْ مَا عَلَيْكُمْ أَن تُنصِتُوا لِي فَتَسْمَعُوا قَوْلِي. Why don't you listen to me? What do you have to lose? Listen to what I have to say. They were not willing to listen to him. وَإِنَّمَا أَدْعُوكُمْ إِلَى سَبِيلِ الرَّشَادِ. I'm calling you to the right path. فَمَنْ أَطَاعَنِي كَانَ مِنَ الْمُرْشَدِينَ. Any one of you who obeys me shall achieve guidance, shall achieve success. وَمَنْ عَصَانِي كَانَ مِنَ الْمُهْلَكِينَ. But if you disobey me, you shall perish. Then the Imam alayhi salam states, وَكُلُّكُمْ عَاصٍ لِأَمْرِي غَيْرُ مُسْتَمِعٍ لِقَوْلِي. All of you, you're disobeying me. You're not willing to listen to me. Why? Aba Abdullah, why don't they listen to you? What's the root problem over here? The Imam states, فَقَدْ مُلِئَتْ بُطُونُكُمْ مِنَ الْحَرَامِ وَطُبِعَ عَلَى قُلُوبِكُمْ. Your stomachs have been filled with haram. Those people who came to kill Imam Hussein alayhi salam, you think all of them were eating haram food, meaning food that was not slaughtered according to Islamic law? No, of course they were eating halal food. Many of them came from Muslim markets, Muslim communities. Technically their meat is halal, their food is halal, but the Imam states, مُلِئَتْ بُطُونُهُم مِّنَ الْحَرَامِ. Their stomachs have been filled with haram. What kind of haram is the Imam here referring to? He's referring to the source of that food, the money, the income that you use to buy that food. If my money is unlawful, if I have cheated my business partners, right? There are many people, partners, when they cheat their business partners, they consider this being smart and savvy, shatara, right? My partner doesn't know. It's not 50-50. I took much more and he doesn't know it. You think that you've gained. You think this is a plus for you? You are destroying your faith. The food that you eat with that haram money, unlawful money, will affect your spirituality. It will earn you the wrath of God. 40 days, Allah will not answer your prayers. You think you've won? This is the biggest failure. This is the biggest loss. So anytime you eat food with money that's questionable, that's haram, you have to be aware of the consequences. Cheating others, committing fraud, selling haram. Selling haram. Many people, it's okay for them to sell haram. Sell alcohol, and these days you have this dilemma of marijuana, recreational marijuana. Our scholars are clear. Selling recreational marijuana that just opens the doors for drugs more is a great sin in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But it's very enticing, just like these people who came to kill Imam Hussein alayhi salam. You think it was easy? You think their trial was easy? Ibn Ziyad was promising them millions, thousands of dananir and dirhams. He was promising them. A brother came to me about 5 years ago, early on when marijuana was being legalized. He told me, Sayyid, I have an investment opportunity to sell, not medical marijuana, recreational marijuana. If I accept this offer, I'll make $10 million. Can you say no to $10 million? Seriously? Who can say no to $10 million? This is where you show your taqwa. This is where you show your iman. This is where you show, oh Allah, I believe that you are the Razzaq, you're the sustainer. You think these $10 million are going to bring you quality of life? That's what happened to those who fought Al-Imam Al-Hussein alayhi salam. Their income was unlawful. It was based on cheating. It was based on dhulm, oppressing others. This has this devastating impact on our bodies.